Okay, we're gonna go on a quick test drive. I'm not gonna go too far in on some of the main roads because this car has a brand new paint job and I don't wanna be the reason it gets any rock chips or imperfections. 84,526 miles on the odometer. Absolutely gorgeous interior here. One thing I've noticed is that side mirror is a little hazy. Not sure what that is. This side's really clear. But we're gonna go on a drive. I do hear some squeaks from the suspension. Now, keep in mind it is 25 degrees outside or something like that. Super, super cold. Very windy as well. That steering wheel's perfectly straight. Doesn't have any type of shakes in it, so it's nice and solid. Car sounds really good. Hitting on the brakes. Brakes feel solid. Car shifts nice and smooth. No complaints with the drivability. Really, really nice. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. And lucky for us, the owner of this car spent a lot of money and they had this entire car repainted, removed the bumpers, fenders, hood. They had it all done proper. They did a killer job on this. This is brand new. Literally just got back from the paint booth, trailered here, parked in this bay, not a single rock chip, not a single scuff. I'm still gonna go over the car, but this is as perfect of a paint job as you're gonna get on a car like this. Absolutely gorgeous. You can see the depth. They did a killer job. Now here on the wheel, you're gonna have the typical flaws in here. Slap a new set of wheels on this thing and she would be tip top. Mirrors look amazing. Really nice. You can see my reflection perfect. I mean, just look at the sparkle. You know, these typically have those big bubbles and flaws in them. All of that was fixed and perfected. Nice and smooth. Beautiful, beautiful car. Same thing with this wheel, typical flaws, but overall, they're in great condition. Got the T-tops off. Just look how crisp all this is. She looks amazing. It's one of those cars now that, because it's so perfect here on this paint, like you don't want to drive it. You just want to take it to shows, trailer it there, trailer it back home, because there's just not a flaw on it, on that paint. Like I said with the wheels though, typical age and wear. Gloss black looks good. Mirrors look amazing. Beautiful, all of that. Typical flaws on that. I believe these were smoked, so you are going to have that texture on there in that little area. And I think these are just vinyl overlays, if I'm not mistaken. I'll have to find out on that to give it that smoked look, because you can see the little wrinkles, but other than that, she is beautiful. Checking out this interior, absolutely gorgeous. Typical crack here, one of the most common things. But besides that, that door panel is in great condition. Looking at that trim, that looks awesome. Overall, that bolster is in great condition. You do have some flaws right here. And then if you look right there, some more flaws. Upper section of that seat looks good though. You have a little scratch right there. Here on the steering wheel, light little scuffs here and there. See some up there. That looks good. Trying to scan that upper side of the dash. That looks nice. Here on the buttons, you can see the AM FM piece right there is kind of chipped off. A couple little flaws, but otherwise it looks good. A few little scuffs on that shifter. The rest of that console looks really nice. Some scratches in there on that plastic. Right here on this door panel, typical crack right there. Every single one of them I feel like has that. Super common. But looking at the rest of that panel, she is mint. Looks really good. Getting up close on those buttons, they look nice. Looking at that trim, it's in great condition. Here on that bolster, you do have your typical wrinkles, little scuffs here and there. Overall, that is a beautiful, beautiful seat. That side of the console, that looks good. Underside of the glove box, that looks nice. Just kind of scanning through here, getting up close. From what I can tell, that dash looks really good. Looking at the carpet, one little flaw right there. Otherwise, it's looking really, really good. Hood struts are perfect. See a couple little scuffs on that plastic. Little gash right there. Then looking back here, little marking on that seat. Upper section, that looks good. Carpets are in great condition. Here on the seat back, a few light scuffs. Otherwise, looks really, really nice. Okay, scanning through the engine bay. Looks really good. Then here on the underside of the hood, nice and clean.